how to use Shine On Print on Demand. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Shine On Print on Demand. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shine On, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shine On, it is a dynamic e-commerce platform based in St. Petersburg, specializing in print-on-demand products. Which it is founded to empower digital marketers. Shine On allows users to create and sell unique items without the burden of large upfront costs, utilizing the cash-efficient supply chain that requires either no initial payment or a minimal deposit for new stock. And the company has expanded its offering significantly, recently venturing into home decor with personalized acrylic products that feature customizable options. And now to create an account, you could also click the link in the description, or you could also click the sign up button here on the top right corner. And after that, all you need to do on this page is to simply enter here your full name, email address to create your own password, and even your phone number in here. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Shine On. And from here, it will show you that you can start creating a new product. And to do that, kind of click this button, create a product, in which by clicking on it, all you need to do from here is to simply choose under this catalog some of the product that you want to customize or add a design on your print on demand. So as you can see, we have here different kind of products with different prices. So all you need to do from here is to simply choose, for example, this one. By simply clicking on it, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show us the details about this product. And we could also start entering here the product title if you want to, or give your product in here the name. Well, below you could also customize the prices, the variations of it, and many more. Now under this product title, for instance, I'm going to enter, for example, customize necklace. And after that, if we scroll down below here under these variations, you could also start customizing the prices in here, and it will show you the profit that you will get upon selling different kind of variations. And you could also make the prices higher or lower depending on your preferences. And if you're now done, you can now click the publish button on the top right corner to start publishing it or start adding this kind of product. And after that, you will now be able to be directed on this page right here where you can start navigating or customizing about the product details in here. But it will show you that the product has now been created. And this is basically what the product details looks like. We have here the product, picture, images, description that are already given upon creating a product in here. So below it will show you about the variation picture, the standard box, the luxury box, and any other details about this kind of product that we're trying to create in here. You'd also start creating an order by clicking create order button on the top right corner. While by clicking this actions button, it will show you that you can start downloading the additional resources or even delete this product that we just created in here. Now moving on, if you also want to connect your store, just click this manage store and click add your store button in here. And it will show you that you have an option to link or connect your Shopify in here. So kind of click this connect button to do so, and you will be directed on this page. But make sure that you also have a Shopify account in order to install this Shine On Print on Demand application on Shopify App Store. Then by clicking this install button, we will now be able to be directed on this page in Shopify. Then just click this install button to proceed again. Then upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed again on this shineon.com. But the first thing that you need to do is to simply create our first product in here to connect in our Shopify. So let's say I'm going to click this one, watch. And after that, you will be able to be directed again on this page where you can start choosing here an artwork. Let's say by clicking the select file button, you can start choosing on your media files from your computer, either a PNG file or image, and also follow the suggested pixels in here that are required. And after uploading the images in here below, you can start editing or entering here the product details, including the title. I'm going to enter, for example, customize products. And below you can even customize here or edit this description if you want to make it bold, italic, insert a link, add an image, and many more. Now once again, under variations, you could also start customizing the price in order to change the profit that you will get. So let's say I'm going to enter here the price, which is 5,000, and it will show you the amount of profit that we will get upon selling this kind of product to our Shopify store. Now moving on, below here under product images, it will show you the mockups image with the design that we just upload from our computer. So this is basically what the physical product looks like. And aside from that, if you scroll down right here, you could also navigate these product upsells, but you need to upgrade your account on Shine to do so. You also have here cart upsells and post-purchase upsells in here. And if you're not done, just click the publish button on the top right corner to start saving or publishing this kind of product to our Shopify store. And by clicking on it, you'll not be able to be directed again on this page. So as you can see in here, the product has now been created, so you can start viewing it in our online store on Shopify. Or alternatively, you could also start customizing some other details if you want to. So now to check this product, if it is now currently in our store in Shopify, just click this view in store button right here. Then you will now be able to be directed on our online store in Shopify. And this is basically what the product looks like. Below it will show you the corresponding amount or prices and also the description of it. And if you also go to this Shopify and click the products option on the left side panel, it will show you that the list of product has now been added. So if you click on it, you can start customizing some other details right here directly, such as the title of it, the description, the media files if you also want to upload any media, and many more. So for instance, under this title, I'm going to enter or customizing to Celtics watch. So now by clicking the save button on the top panel to save the changes, it will automatically be changed in our online store in Shopify. And to check if it is currently added or changed, just go back to the store and click this refresh icon, and you should see here that the title or the name of this product has now been changed into Celtics watch. So basically, going back to this page, aside from that, you could also start adding more kind of products in here under catalog section, and just simply choose which kind of product that you want to add or sell in our Shopify store. As you can see, we have here different kind of categories of product, but I'm going to choose these accessories. And after that, I'm going to choose these bags by clicking on it, and also this classic tote bag. So from here, once again, you'll be able to be directed on this page, and it will show you the details about this product, such as the size of it or dimension, but just proceed by clicking create your product button below here, in which by clicking on it, will automatically be directed on this page right here. Then you can now start once again adding some other details or customizing, including the title of the product in here, uploading your artwork, but make sure to upload an artwork or images in here with this kind of pixels requirement, since if you upload in here a kind of artwork from your computer files and it is now currently same under the requirements that is written in here or given, it is now currently not being accepted, or it will not be added in here as your artwork. So make sure to follow the requirements before uploading here the artwork. And after that, you can also start customizing here the prices, the description, the product image in here, and many more. And if you are now done, you can now proceed by clicking the publish button once again on the top right corner, and it will automatically be added in our Shopify store under this product section or under this catalog section in our online store in Shopify. So overall, that is just basically how you can use Shine On Print On Demand. Thank you.